Is the war over? Because the market just had its best day in a year. Everyone is celebrating the continued rally. Yesterday, the Dow surged 1,100 points. Today, the S&P closed above a key level of 652. Nasdaq and broader indices posted solid gains again, but before you get swept up by the green, you need to hear this out. Last night, everything changed, and I'm going to show you 3 things that I'm personally watching out for right now, and the full inflation impact that wouldn't hit your grocery budget until Q3. So here's the reality behind the 2-day surge that nobody's talking about, and why caution is still warranted. So Trump signaled that the US could wrap up major involvements in Iran in about 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. Market heard de-escalation and kept on pushing higher. Shorts are covering, there's quarter-end flows and rotational buy-in as well. Here's the part that's most confusing. Last night, Tehran was bombed, and in response, Iran launched one of its biggest missiles yet on Israel. There were fighter jets at the capital at dawn, and this is now week 5 of an active war with no agreed exit conditions. It feels like the momentum is returning, but it looks like a pump fake. So here's the part that nobody's connecting to your portfolio right now. The Strait of Hormuz has seen disruption for over the past 5 weeks. Energy prices react super fast, and Brent has pulled towards the $100 mark. With these recent spikes, the trickle-down effect on food prices, manufacturing, and even shipping costs will typically lag between 3 to 6 months. So we wouldn't likely feel the complete inflation impact until mid-year or even Q3 this year. See, Asia and Europe are far more exposed to the Middle East shipping routes, and they're already feeling the heat harder than the US. So here's how I'm thinking about the moment right now. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, and this is just my opinion. So first of all, if your time horizon is long, this continued strength is a gift. So I will be using it to consider rebalancing my portfolio accordingly. Secondly, considering cash on the sidelines for quality names. So oversold bounces like the last 2 days have historically created a better entry point than waiting for the all clear signal. Third, and most importantly, I'm not watching the stock market as much anymore. I will be watching and paying close attention to oil and the Strait of Hormuz. Until the waterway is meaningfully reopened and oil settles lower, the inflation story is still intact. So don't get me wrong, this rally feels good, and in the last 2 days, folks have been celebrating. Enjoy the moment while it's here, but you need to zoom out and stay disciplined. If you want more gut check reactions like this one, feel free to follow and share this with somebody who's still celebrating without seeing what's coming next.